Let us see how to control LED strip to give various colors using voice. We have used Google Voice Kit for this project. But the same code can be used with little modification for other Edge devices also. The LED strip contains 4 pins. 1 pin for red, 1 pin for green, 1 pin for blue, which is nothing but RGB, and a ground pin. We need a small step-down transformer along with a relay to control it. We can control the power supply to the 3 color pins using relay to get desired color from the LED strip. We can use different color combinations to get color of our choice. Use RGB chart for reference to get the desired color. We have used buzzer library to send signal to the relay, which in turn controls the power supply to the 4 pins. We use the Google Voice Kit to receive the command, in our case it is the color. The respective statement associated with the color in the Python code will be executed. I have added the complete code for the project in the GitHub link provided in the description. If you have any query on deploying the project on any of the Edge devices, contact me using the email provided in the description. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like these. Thanks.